think we're just gonna go for it. Hey, I haven't really introduced myself before, so hi, I'm Madison. Thank you for joining me for another painting video. In today's video, I'm going to try to attempt a ripple effect using this 6-compartment funnel. I do end up kind of ditching the idea and making something else with a straight pour, so stay tuned. This is the first time I am inviting you guys into my space, so bear with me as I adjust to showing another view. I wanted to have multiple views here so you get a good feel of how I'm achieving these effects. So I have it all the way touching the canvas. I'm going to pull this up and lift and drop it, lift and drop it. I'm trying to get like a ring effect. That just looks so pretty. I learned here that you do have to lift up the funnel out of the paint and put it quickly back in and touch the surface of the canvas and lift up out of the paint and back down to create that ripple effect. Looking back, I kind of wish I would have kept the painting just like this. I see these outlines here that look like a person kneeling. I kind of wish I would have kept it so I could have painted like a woman kneeling on top of it, but hey, you live and you learn. I thought it was just a little bit too plain, so I decided to go back to my 6-compartment funnel and continue. With the funnel, I did want to try something a little bit different. Instead of trying to achieve that ripple effect, I just wanted to fill it up and pour it straight across since I haven't tried this yet. I seriously am so excited with how the results of a straight pour with this funnel turned out. Disclaimer, I did use the funnel right after using it prior. I didn't wash it out. I just went for a second use right away. Here, as I tilt, I am seriously just trying to figure out how to get a little bit of this excess paint off without getting rid of any of this design. And here is our final result. I really love how both designs are complementing each other here. You can see some of the ripple, you can see the straight pour right in the middle here. I just love figuring out how this 6-compartment funnel works. It is making all of my funnel dreams come true. I hope you guys are liking the results here too, and I'm hoping this gives you a little bit of inspiration. Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe. I would love to have you stick around. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.